Number 1. The 1956 Chevrolet 210, priced at $6,000. This 1956 Chevy 210 is built with high-quality components and is described as having great street manners. Under the hood, it features a built 540 big block V8, paired with a W871 supercharger. The exhaust system includes electronic cutouts, allowing for a more aggressive sound when desired. Power is transferred through a built TH400 transmission. As the seller notes, the engine has recently undergone a complete refresh, and the car is in excellent condition. The vehicle is being sold with a clean title in hand, and trade offers will only be considered for 69 to 70 Chevelle, 67 to 69 Camaros, or 68 to 70 Dodge models. Located in Bader, Illinois. Number 2. The 1965 Ford Mustang Fastback, priced at $49,000. This 1965 Mustang Pro Street is powered by a 331-stroker engine with a blower running on pump gas. While the car is equipped with a nitrous system, the seller notes that it is not currently hooked up. Additional performance features include methanol injection, AC4 automatic transmission by ATI, and a Ford 9-inch rear end with 4.10 gears. The car has undergone extensive work, including a 4-wheel disc brake conversion, power brakes, power steering, and power windows. It also features a Bluetooth radio. The air conditioning system has been redone, with only the compressor needing to be installed. Cooling is handled by a 4-core radiator. As the seller points out, the list of upgrades is extensive. Located in Exmoor, Virginia. Number 3. The 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle, priced at $27,000. This 1972 Chevelle Pro Street is powered by a 468 big block topped with a Littlefield 871 blower. Power is sent through a turbo 400 automatic transmission, and the rear end features a Ford 9-inch with 3.73 gears. As the seller notes, this Chevelle has been built for performance. Located in Spencerport, New York. Number 4. The 1974 Pontiac GTO, priced at $50,000. This 1974 Pontiac is a PHS-documented example of the final year for the classic GTO nameplate. The car has undergone a ground-up rebuild with only 500 street-driven miles on the fresh build. Power comes from a 455 Pontiac block, paired with a TH400 automatic transmission featuring a manual valve body and a stall converter. The drivetrain includes a 4-link rear suspension, PY differential, and coilover shocks, along with a thick-tube chromo drive shaft with heavy-duty U-joints. The car is set up with nitrous, but as the seller notes, the bottle has never been filled. The build features components from BM, Strange, Kaufman Racing, Alton Chassis Works, Hooker, Holley HP, Winsler, MSD, PST, Weld Racing, and Hoer. The exterior has fresh paint, though the seller acknowledges some flaws, while the rest of the car remains a high-quality build with lots of power. Located in Sebastian, Florida. Number 5. The 1962 Chevrolet Nova, priced at $42,000. This 1962 Chevy Nova is equipped with a Dart SHP forged 383-stroker and a Wien 671 blower. It runs a Holley X-Flow EFI system and AFR 220 cubic centimeters heads with 0.585 lift hydraulic roller cam, 624 with 1.6 rockers. Fuel is supplied by an A1000 pump with 8 and PTFE feed and return lines. The drivetrain consists of a TH400 transmission with a TCI reverse manual valve body and transbrake, along with a HU400 stall converter. The rear end is a Mark Williams-braced Ford 9-inch with 4.11 gears. A 4-link suspension, wishbone, and anti-roll bar, along with Viking double-adjustable coilovers, are installed at all 4 corners. The car is fitted with RC Components 15 by 11 beadlock rear wheels with 28 by 10, have slicks and 17 by 5 wheels up front. There is room to fit larger tires if needed. Recent updates include a new wiring harness, refreshed and insulated interior, including the trunk with kill mat, and a stereo system. The windows have smoke tint. The seller has a clean title and is open to partial trades for old hot rods, rollers, or possibly a truck. Located in Springfield, Ohio. Number 6. The 1950 Plymouth Special Deluxe, priced at $32,500. This 1950 Plymouth Special Deluxe is powered by a 383 V8 engine, paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. The car is set up to run on pump gas and is fitted with big rear tires. According to the seller, the car drives well and comes with a clean title. $32,500 or best offer. Located in St. Clair Shores, Michigan. Number 7. The 1985 Chevrolet S10, priced at $38,500. This 1985 Chevy S10 is powered by a 355 small block Chevy engine with aluminum heads and a crane blower cam. The seller mentions having a complete build sheet for the engine. The drivetrain includes a turbo 400 transmission with a manual valve body built to handle 1,000 horsepower. Power is sent through a one-piece drive shaft to a Ford 9-inch rear end with 4.11 gears. The seller notes that there are many additional modifications, with a longer list available for serious buyers. Located in Franklinville, New Jersey. Number 8. The 1973 Dodge Dart, priced at $37,500. This 1973 Dart is set up for drag racing or pro street use. It's powered by a 540 World Mega Block with Indy 1 heads, Jezel rockers, a roller cam, and a dry sump oiling system. Fuel delivery comes through an Indy tunnel ram intake, and the car runs naturally aspirated with no power adders. The 727 automatic transmission was built by Joel's Joy, featuring a Griner valve body, trans brake, precision performance air shifter, and an 8-inch cone converter. The rear end is a Dana 60 with an SNW ladder bar setup, disc brakes, and double adjustable coilovers on all 4 corners. Braking is handled by Strange front brakes, while the car rides on 29.5 by 10.5 rear tires and 26 by 4.5 front tires mounted on Mickey Thompson wheels. The chassis has a current 8.50 certification, and the car has run 9.24 seconds at 145 miles per hour. Price is negotiable, but the seller is not in a rush to sell. No trades. Located in Clinton Township, Michigan. Number 9. The 1973 Chevrolet Corvette, priced at $26,500. This 1973 Corvette Pro Street features a built small block with AFR heads and shaft rockers, paired with a turbo 400 transmission and installed converter. The rear end consists of a 9-inch setup with Moser axles and Strange brakes. The car rides on Combo Pro wheels with 22.5-inch wide rear tires and 9-inch front shocks. A headlight conversion kit has been installed. 75,000 miles on the chassis, with modifications throughout. Clean title. Located in Lando Lakes, Florida. Number 10. The 1929 Ford two-door sedan, priced at $34,999. This 1929 Ford Pro Street is powered by a 468 engine, paired with a 700 R4 automatic transmission. It features a custom-built Ford 9-inch rear end with a 4-link suspension. The car has extensive chrome detailing throughout. 999 miles on the build. Clean title in hand. Located in Arlington, Texas. Number 11. The 1984 Chevrolet S10 short bed, priced at $40,000. This 1984 S10 features a 6LLS engine, paired with an FTI Powerglide transmission with a trans brake. The rear end is a Curry 35 spline setup, and the truck is equipped with QA1 suspension components. According to the seller, nearly everything on the build is new, with significant time and money invested. The truck is currently in storage. Clean title in hand. 300 miles on the build. Located in Clifton, New York. Number 12. The 1976 Chevy Nova, priced at $2,000. This 1976 Chevy Nova is a titled all-metal car, except for the hood, with factory glass, a 2-seat interior, carpet, and tinted windows. Under the hood, it has a 350 small block 60 over with 11:1 compression, a roller cam with 0.615 lift, and has run 6.50 consistently in the 1/8 mile at 6,100 RPM. The setup includes 31 by 17 slicks in the rear, with room to fit up to 36 by 21 tires. The car has been recently refreshed front to back and is described as handling well. The seller is not in a rush to sell but needs space for other projects. Clean title in hand. Some negotiation possible. Located in Atlantic Highlands, New Jersey.